Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook dating if it's not showing in your Facebook app. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you may need to check if you are eligible. Okay, so the age, you must be 18 plus, and your account age, okay, upon creation, must be at least 30 years old. I'm going to show you right here. This one is a fresh account, okay, it was made 3 days ago. Now I'm going to tap on the 3 horizontal lines. Now, normally, when you go ahead and tap on the see more option right here, Facebook dating should be available. Okay, I'm going to show you on the other account that I have. In here, I'm going to go ahead and tap on the 3 horizontal lines, see more, and Facebook dating should be available because this account right here is 8 years old. Okay, so moving forward, location-wise, ensure you're in a country where Facebook dating is available. You're going to want to look it up online if your country is eligible. Okay, and also your account status. All right, you're going to want to tap on your profile, tap on the 3 dots right here, and tap on profile status. If it got the green check mark, well, that means you're good to go. You should be able to see the Facebook dating app. If it got red, well, unfortunately, it won't be available. Okay, now moving forward, for the device fix, okay, if you think you're eligible and you can't still find it, well, just go ahead and close the app. Now go to Play Store or App Store. Go ahead and find Facebook, like so. And if there's an update button, just go ahead and update it. Wait for the process to finish, open it up, and go ahead and check. If that still won't work, well, go ahead and uninstall the app. Okay? Tap and hold, tap on uninstall if you're using Android, and delete if you're using iOS. And once done, go ahead and go back to your Play Store or App Store, reinstall it, and you should be good to go. All right. Now, another way to fix that is by turning on your location services. Turn on your location and then open up Facebook. Wait for a few minutes and then reopen up Facebook. Okay, reopen it, and after that, Facebook dating should now be available. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.